Building AI apps just got way more easier. Google has released a new tool called Opal. It's a no-code platform that lets you build simple AI-powered apps using plain language prompts. You describe what you want, Opal builds it for you. In this video, we will explain what Google Opal is and how it works, and why it could be a big deal for teams that want to build with AI without writing code. Opal is an experimental project from Google Labs. It's a no-code builder for creating AI mini apps through a mix of test prompts and a visual workflow editor. You don't need to know how to code. You just describe what you want your app to do step by step. Opal takes that and turns it into a visual workflow like a flowchart. Right now, Opal is in public beta and only available in United States, and don't worry. If you're residing somewhere outside the US, then you can use VPN to make this work. You can edit it in two ways. Use visual mode to drag and drop blocks and change the flow. Or switch to conversational mode and type updates like add one more question or change the output format. It's flexible. You can keep iterating on your app until it works the way you want. Once you are done, you get a shareable link. Anyone with a Google account can access and use your mini app. It's a great way to test tools, get feedback, or even deploy simple internal utilities. So, who is this for? If you are a founder, product manager, operations lead, or marketer, this is made for you. You can build small but useful tools in minutes. No waiting on engineers, no learning to code. Just describe what you want and start building. Google also includes a library of templates. You can browse pre-built mini apps for summarizing content, building forms, collecting data, or running AI-based workflows. You can use them as they are or tweak them to fit your needs. Now, I'll show you a quick demo of how you can build an AI app using Opal. We'll be building an AI app that makes ad creatives in seconds. Just type in a few details like product image and information you want in the poster. The mini AI app will generate an image. Now, I'll show you a step-by-step demo on how you can create an AI-powered app with Google Opal. The best thing about Opal is that you can create the entire workflow by using prompts. So here is a prompt that I'm using to create this AI app. So the prompt says that I need an app where a user can upload a product image and discounted price, and the app should automatically generate minimalistic and attractive posters using the provided image. It should highlight the discount in a way that it appeals to the customer and encourages them to buy the product. I'm gonna add this prompt here. When I click send, it will automatically create a workflow for collecting details from user and generating the product image. We can see that the workflow has been created. So there are two inputs. One is the product image where we need to upload the product image, and another one to enter the discounted price. You can add additional notes here. Here you will be able to add inputs like original price or anything specific you want. We have given three inputs to the AI agent. Here you can see different AI models that you can use in the workflow like Gemini 2.5 Pro, VO3 Lyra, and more. Now we have a proper prompt based on this workflow, which is you are an expert prompt engineer for AI image generation models, specializing in creating detailed and creative instructions for generating minimalistic and attractive digital posters. Your task is to craft a natural language description for the AI image tool that will result in a stunning digital poster. You can also see the step-by-step instructions as well. After the instructions, it will be given to this generate module. We have chosen Gemini 2.0 Flash image generation for this purpose. So, this module will receive the image and instructions to generate posters. It will analyze the three inputs, which are product image, original price, and discounted price. Then it will generate the poster. Once it is generated, it will be passed to the app where it creates a simple responsive web page to promptly display a digital poster. Now, let's try it out. We need to upload the image here. I'm uploading an image of an airport. The discounted price is 2,999 and the original price was 5,999. You can see that the workflow is fully functional, and here you have a simple poster ready based on our input. You can also share this app and the app link will be generated. And that's how we build an AI-powered poster generator in minutes using Google Opal. What makes this special is that it is super easy to make. Any person with basic skills can create an automated workflow. Currently, Google Opal is in its beta stage and its performance is fairly decent. Once it reaches its full potential, then it will be an asset to teams, startups, and solo builders looking to move fast with AI. Follow for more AI updates.